The new Camp Nou is entering one of its most exciting phases yet, with major construction milestones now unfolding across the stadium. Progress on the compression ring box installation is accelerating, while facade work and mobility core installations continue to advance, and the new home dressing rooms are now almost ready. With so many major pieces coming together, the final shape of the new Camp Nou is becoming harder to ignore. One of the biggest developments around the stadium is unfolding on the compression ring, with a new XXL box lifted into position at the Tribune, bringing this massive structure closer to closing its remaining gaps. Another XXL box was also installed near the north goal, while a new Cimbra has joined the structure as well. Even more impressive, just 5 of the 46 main compression ring pillars are now left to be installed. The latest XXL box was carefully positioned between the radial beam and its neighboring section, and with everything now perfectly aligned, the compression ring is advancing rapidly, bringing the shape of the future roof closer to reality day by day. What an incredible surprise at the Gold Sur, where the sandwich panels have now been covered with a new metal finishing system, adding a completely different look to the mobility cores. At the same time, the ceramic louvers have already covered almost the entire section, with only a few small gaps remaining. And the progress does not stop there. LED lights are now being installed along the upper part of the louvers, extending the same lighting system already seen on the lateral side into this area. With the new finishing elements, ceramic louvers and lighting all coming together, this section of the Gold Sur is quickly becoming one of the most advanced areas of the stadium. The Tribune suddenly comes alive with a wave of activity as another pillar is lifted toward the Gol Norte after an XXL box, and Cimbra have already gone up earlier in the day. Cranes are busy across the area, supporting the superstructure and moving equipment, while sandwich panel installation has also resumed. Down at the VIP access stairs, tiles are now being fitted across the steps, giving this section a much more refined and finished appearance. With so much happening at once, the Tribune is delivering one of those days where progress can be seen in almost every direction. Construction activity remains visible throughout the second tier as crews continue completing architectural and structural details. Work is progressing around the spectator circulation areas while finishing operations continue along the seating bowl and adjacent structural elements. With more sections reaching completion, the second tier is becoming increasingly refined and is now transitioning from major construction toward its final finishing stages. The VIP ring continues to make steady progress as construction enters an advanced interior finishing phase. Workers are installing additional partition walls, fitting new access doors, and completing drywall systems throughout the hospitality areas. At the same time, interior wall surfaces are receiving their finishing treatments, clearly showing the transition from structural construction to premium interior fit-out. Finishing work continues across the seating bowl, where additional lighting fixtures are being installed along the upper levels of the stadium. Crews are also sealing the joints between the pre-cast concrete seating sections and completing surface finishing works that will prepare the stands for their final architectural elements. These activities are gradually transforming the seating areas into their completed appearance. The wait is almost over. The new home dressing rooms are now virtually complete, with both the men's and women's areas fully finished, clean, and ready for use. The locker areas, showers, massage rooms, hydrotherapy pools, and sauna are all in place. Most importantly, these could be the dressing rooms used for the Gamper match, replacing the temporary facilities used until now. The final details are being wrapped up, and the players could soon be preparing here before stepping onto the new pitch. A striking transformation is unfolding across the lateral side as ceramic louvers continue spreading across the mobility cores and rapidly changing the look of the facade. Large sections are already covered, while more louvers are lined up and ready to continue the installation, alongside new LED lights filling the corner. Meanwhile, the third diamond structure has now been fully concreted, marking another important step forward. with the next major stage set to be the installation of its glass panels. With the facade, lighting, and structural work advancing together, this entire section is beginning to reveal the finished character of the new Camp Nou. One of the most noticeable advances at Gol Norte is finally taking shape, with the mobility cores now fully covered with sandwich panels across the entire interior section, reaching all the way to the top. After days of panels being stacked nearby, the installation has finally begun, with the painted beams already prepared for this stage. The next step will be covering the exterior sides, while the lower section still awaits its concrete panels. The ceramic louvers remain in place, although the upper LED lights seen on the lateral side have not yet been installed here. Above, several cranes and platforms are active, while another important update can be seen on the diamond structure, where the blocks that had been installed earlier have now been extended all the way up, completely covering this section. Another important step is taking shape at the Gol Norte corner, where sandwich panels are now being installed inside another mobility core. Around half of the interior is already covered, with the remaining panels still needed to reach the first overhang, as this section continues to be brought up to the same level as the previous core. Around the corner, more sandwich panels are already prepared, while the ceramic louvers remain in place. The next stage will involve the facade anchors, with the supporting beams and bolts also requiring their finishing paint. Above this area, the compression ring continues to advance strongly, with another box ready for installation as the sequence of pillars, radial beams, and boxes keeps bringing the ring closer to the final roof structure. Internal construction is continuing within the third tier, particularly with the construction of concrete block partitions for future bathrooms and hospitality areas. New walls are gradually defining the internal layout of the different service and restoration zones. Although some sections are progressing more slowly than others, these partitions represent another important step toward completing the functional spaces beneath the upper seating areas. Seating installation continues in the areas of the second and third tier structures that have been cleared of temporary scaffolding. Additional seats are being installed in the previously open sections, while the floodlights and technical equipment are already positioned in several areas. This combination of seating installation and the removal of temporary construction equipment is gradually preparing the upper tiers for their upcoming use. The visible increase in completed seating is another clear sign that these areas are moving closer to operational readiness. A closer look at the store diamond reveals a site packed with ongoing preparation, with large quantities of blocks, containers, soil, and other materials gathered around the area. The surrounding block wall has now been leveled, and the newly installed grills are also clearly visible, giving the diamond a much more defined appearance. Just nearby, the other diamond where the glass support structures had previously begun is also worth checking. For now, no additional supports have been installed, and the glazing itself has yet to begin, leaving this section at the same stage as the previous visit. And that's where we leave the new Camp Nou for today. The transformation is moving faster with every update, and with so many major elements now coming together, the stadium is getting closer and closer to its final form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.